Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you which fidget spinners you should probably get if you're going to like 7-Eleven, Walgreens, like any store that has fidget spinners, Amazon too. I'm going to tell you which ones you should rather get because I timed these and the things that were brought out are like phenomenal. And so I'm going to tell you like how long this one goes and how long this one goes, because like these are not like these are really good ones, but I would prefer this one. So this one went 30 seconds, which is really bad. This one went 2 minutes and 2 seconds, which is pretty good. And so this one's like, if you feel it, it's all hard and it's not, it's like kind of a little bit, it's made out of two things like metal and plastic, and then this one's made out of just plastic. And if you spin it and you can hear the balls in it or you shake it, this is the one that you want. And so I would rather you get this one because the world would be a lot better with these kind of fidget spinners. And it's pretty good. It looks cool. I mean, for this one, it's a lot louder. Thumbnail. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like all of my videos, and so I can become a better subscriber. And I might be giving away a fidget spinner. Actually, no, I don't think I should, because actually maybe I will. Yeah, I think I will in the future. Thank you. Goodbye, and subscribe if you want that fidget spinner.